Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create your own premium courses on UDAO. UDAO is a Web3 learning platform that focuses on your job relevant skills and finding your next career step. UDAO is an AI-driven education tech and recruitment platform on Web3. It is a platform where you can say Coursera meets with LinkedIn on the blockchain. So it has features of Coursera and LinkedIn all together on the blockchain. On UDAO, you can teach skills like creating your own courses and selling them. You can see what's written there: teach skills, teach job relevant skills, and create your own e-learning today that belongs to you. Get the lion's share of the revenue and define your terms and conditions on your own. So you guys can see you can create courses like I said. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create your own premium courses on UDAO and you can be able to make your own money. You can see the next one there: learn and find jobs. Chart your career path and bridge your skills gap with targeted opportunities. Join the forefront of sought after talents worldwide. So guys can see you can learn jobs, you can learn skills for free, and also you can hire talents. Effortlessly connect with top talents tailored to your needs, pre-assessed for your specific roles. So guys, now you can see you can hire for talent. If you're an organization, you're looking for people to employ, you can actually go use this UDAO to get people employed into your organization. So guys, now what I will do right away now is to quickly go over to the official Twitter page of UDAO so that you can get to know more about UDAO. Let me log into my Twitter account right away. So guys can see here's the official Twitter page of UDAO. Let me get to show you guys things that you need to see. Let me scroll down now. So guys can see this post right there. It was made 25th of December. You can see what's written there: what sets UDAO apart from the competition. Here are 3 most important factors. Let me tap on show more. So guys, now you can see the first one: UDAO's mission. Empowering people with job-ready skills through a Web3 platform that connects learners, educators, and organizations. UDAO bridges the gap between education and career success, making growth accessible to everyone. You can see the second one: revolutionizing education. Traditional system can't keep up with the speed of technological advancement. UDAO offers a future-focused alternative where skills are the new currency. The learners gain the tools they need to strive in a constantly evolving world. You can see the third one: empowering career growth. UDAO is not just about learning, it is about building connections that matters. With access to career opportunities, learners can transform knowledge into meaningful, lasting success. So guys can see UDAOs consist of learners, educators, and organizations. Learners can actually come here, get free courses to skill up, to get more skills. Educators can come here to create courses, sell the courses out to those who want to learn, and organizations can come here to look for those who have the skills that they want. So guys, this is what it is all about. So guys, what I will do now is to show you guys how you can get started with UDAO, how you can join UDAO. What I will do first and foremost is to show you how you can create a UDAO account real quick. Then after that, I will give out the most important information about this video, which is about cryptocurrency. Remember, I said UDAO is a Web3 learning platform, and whenever you mention Web3 or blockchain, cryptocurrencies or tokens will come into your mind. So I'll be showing you guys the crypto part of this UDAO platform. So let me first of all show you guys how you can create a UDAO account. So guys can see what's written there. They say join now on app.udao.com. So guys, what you have to do right away now to create a UDAO account is to go over to your browser, open your browser. It can be Chrome or any other browser that you have in your phone. Let me open my browser right away. Once you open it, then what you have to type in is app.udao.com. So guys, let me type it in: app.udao.org. So guys can see there, app.udao.org. Sorry, I mentioned .com earlier on. It is .org. So guys, now let me tap on enter. So guys, now you can see I've logged into the website, I've logged into the platform. You can see what's written there: empower your career, learn, teach, or hire. Discover your next career move with skill building courses or connect with top job and freelancer opportunities. So guys, now what you have to do right away is to tap on where you can see start your journey. So let me tap on start your journey. But before I do that, let me scroll down now to show you guys something. Because now you can see what's written here: teach skills. This is for those that actually want to become tutors, those who want to create online courses, premium courses they can actually sell and make money. You can see there: teach job relevant skills and create your own e-learning today that belongs to you. Get the lion's share of the revenue and define your terms and conditions on your own. So guys, now if you want to become an instructor, if you want to create courses that people can pay you for, then you have to tap on where it is written become an instructor. Let me scroll down again. You can see they say learn and find jobs. So if you want to improve on your skill, if you're looking for a skill, if you want to actually get skills, then you can tap on join DAO. You can see it right there. So guys, now you can see the next one there. They said hire talents, effortlessly connect with top talent, tailored to your needs, reassessed for your specific roles. So guys, now you can see it right there. If you're looking for those who are actually skilled, those who can do a job for you perfectly fine, then you can tap on where it is written find skilled talent. They will be able to get them to do the job for you. So guys, now this video is about how to actually create courses. So we have to go for the first one, which is teach skills. Teach job relevant skills. Create your own e-learning today that belongs to you. So you have to tap on become an instructor. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Become an instructor. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to create your UDAO account. You can see there you can use your Google account, and also you can use your Discord account, and likewise you can use your email address. You can see where it is written email, enter email address. So guys, what I will do now is to input my email address, and also I will have to create a password, a strong password. You can see where the arrow is pointing, so I will create a password. So guys, let me do both of them real quick. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my email address, and also I've created a password. You can see it right there. So now the next step I have to take now is to tap on create account. So let me tap on create account real quick. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, now you can see the next step. A confirmation mail has been sent to your email address. Open your inbox on this device and follow the instruction to finish creating your account. So guys, let me go over to my email now to continue the account creation. So let me split my screen so that I can get to my email app. Let me open my Gmail app real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Gmail app right away. You can see the email I got from UDAO. You can see it right there. They said confirm your sign up. So let me tap on it now to open it. Let me open the email. So guys, now you can see here's the email. You can see there confirm email. You need to confirm your email address to complete the registration process. So guys, let me tap on confirm your email right away. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can now see now I've successfully created a UDAO account. You can see my courses. I can go ahead now to create courses. I can go ahead now to look for jobs on this my profile. So guys, now you can see there are so many things I'm willing to show you guys right now. So guys, now we've created the UDAO account. Let's go over to the crypto part of this video tutorial today. So let me go over to the official Twitter page of UDAO. Let me go back there now. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can create a UDAO account on your mobile device. Let me go over now to the crypto part of UDAO. Like I said, UDAO is a learning Web3 platform. So being a Web3 platform, it has a token called the UDAO token. The UDAO token has been launched and listed in various popular cryptocurrency exchange like Gate.io. In a few, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to get these UDAO tokens. As you can see right here, I'm on the official Twitter page of UDAO. You can see it right here. Let me get to show you guys the recent post that was made concerning the UDAO token. Let me get to show you guys. So guys, now you can see the recent post on UDAO token. You can see what's written there. What is the value of holding UDAO token? What benefits does it offer holders? Number one is holders gain DAO governance rights, which are similar to company shares, allowing users to gain ownership on the platform. Let me tap on show more. You can see the number two right there is holders gain access to special features, discounts, and free services. You can see the third one, earn rewards through contribute to earn mechanisms and reward backing from platform activity. Then over to the fourth one, UDAO token combines community support with sustainable business model to ensure long-term token value. So guys, let me go over to the next one, which is the last one. They said the UDAO token focuses on real revenue from courses sales, job postings, and recruitment services, targeting the 500 billion education tech and online recruitment market. So guys, now you can see this token actually strives on this business model, which is actually the course sales, job postings, and recruitment services. So guys, this token is something that you want to get. So if you have not actually bought this token, here's an opportunity for you to get this UDAO token, because it's really going to appreciate. I really think it's going to appreciate in the future, because this platform is the future. We all know that most of these learning platforms that we have now, they are in Web 2. But now this is a Web3 platform where you can actually learn, and also where you can actually get your next career step, where you can actually sell your courses, get job postings, and recruitment services. So this is the future, and this UDAO token depends on this business model. So we believe this is going to strive. So guys, now let me go down now to show you guys more posts on this UDAO token. Let me go back. Let me scroll down real quick. So guys, now you can see here is another post on the UDAO token. Let me tap on show more. So guys, now you can see it right. They said shape your future with UDAO tokens. Earn more than just skills. UDAO tokens unlock exclusive discounts, early access to content, and unique perks. Become part of this platform's governance where your voice matters in shaping the UDAO's future. Participate, engage, and grow with the UDAO ecosystem. So guys, now you can see what is written down there. They say buy now on Gate. So you can actually buy this UDAO token on Gate.io platform, on the Gate.io exchange. So guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do now. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to buy this token, how you can buy this token on Gate.io. So guys, now let me go over to my Gate.io exchange account real quick. So guys, now you can see my Gate.io app has opened up and I've logged into my Gate.io account. So guys, this is what the interface looks like. This is what the homepage looks like. So once you open up the app for the first time, this is what you're going to see. This is the homepage. But guys, in case you've not opened or created a Gate.io account, you don't need to bother yourself at all. What you're going to do is that just go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the registration link right there. Tap on the registration link. They'll be able to create a Gate.io account. And also, in case you don't know the step-by-step guide on how you can create a Gate.io account, I'm also going to be leaving a video link down there. You will see a video link on how to create a Gate.io account. Tap on it. They'll be able to learn how to create a Gate.io account. The video will take you through the step-by-step guide on how you can create a Gate.io account. And like I said, the Gate.io registration link is in the description of this video. Likewise, every other links or every other platform that I mentioned in this video, their links are all in the description of this video. Tap on the links. They'll be able to get where you ought to be and where you ought to go to and what you have to do. So guys, first of all, let me show you guys how you can be able to deposit into your Gate.io account. You can see where it is written deposit. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it now. Then what you have to do now is to tap on on-chain deposit. So let me tap on on-chain deposit. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, this is where you need to look for the crypto that you want to actually deposit into your Gate.io account. So let me tap on USDT. I want to deposit USDT as an example. Let me select USDT. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. You can see USDT. So let me tap on it to select it since I want to deposit USDT crypto into my Gate.io account. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, here's the next step. You have to choose the right deposit network. You can see here there are various networks. So what you have to do now is to choose whichever one that you want to use as the withdrawal platform, whichever one you want to use from the withdrawal platform. So let me choose BNB Smart Chain. So guys, now here's your USDT deposit wallet address. So now you have to copy this deposit address so that you can use it to deposit the USDT into your Gate.io account. So guys, now that being said, let me show you guys how you can be able to buy the UDAO token from your Gate.io account. So let me go back now. Let me go back to the home page. So guys, now I'm back to the home page now. For you to be able to buy the UDAO token from your Gate.io account, what you have to do first of all is to tap on where you can see trade. And so it is written trade. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to change that crypto pair. You can see at the top, you can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. It's written BTC/USDT. You have to change that pair to UDAO/USDT. So guys, let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see right here there are different crypto pair right here. The one you have to look for is UDAO/USDT. So let me use the search icon so that I can find it easily. Let me tap on the search icon at the top. Then let me type in UDAO, UDAO. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the UDAO/USDT right there. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the crypto pair has changed now to UDAO/USDT. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on buy and make sure buy is selected. You can see it right there. Buy is selected. On this platform, you can actually buy and sell, but in this case, you want to buy the UDAO token, so you have to make sure buy is selected. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on limit. So let me tap on limit. Then you have to select smart market. We're selecting smart market because we want to actually buy the UDAO token at the current market price. You can see the current market price at the right hand side. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to impute the amount of USDT that you want to use to get the UDAO token. So if you've deposited USDT into your Gate.io account, you can now use that USDT now to buy your UDAO token. You're exchanging the USDT for UDAO tokens. So guys, now you have to tap on where it is written USDT. Then you type in the amount of USDT that you want to actually sell. You can see I've typed in 23. You can see it right there. So once you type in 23 now, you have to tap on buy UDAO. You can see it right there. Once you tap on buy UDAO, your USDT is going to be exchanged for UDAO. So once you tap on buy UDAO, they'll be able to get UDAO token in your account instantly. So guys, that's how it works. And once you go back to your asset now to check the amount of USDT and the amount of UDAO token that you have, you find out that your USDT balance has reduced while your UDAO token has increased. If you have no UDAO token before now, you will see that you will now have the UDAO token in your account. You can tap on where you can see assets to see it. You can tap on assets. Once you tap on assets, you will see it right here. You're going to see the USDT that you have. You're also going to see the UDAO token that you have right here. So guys, now this is how it works. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys this UDAO platform, which is an AI-driven education, tech, and recruitment platform on the Web3. So if you actually want to learn new skills, this is a new platform that you have to actually get registered on. You have to create an account, and also if you want to sell your courses, if you want to tutor, if you want to instruct people on how to develop new skills that will actually shape the future of tomorrow, then this platform is for you. And also if you're an organization that is looking for skilled people who actually have the skills to do your job for you, then this platform is for you. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually delve into this UDAO platform, and also how you can actually delve into the UDAO token future. So guys, I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you guys in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.